Hey, you're in the kitchen with Heidi today, and I'm going to show you how I make my salsa. And it's a staple in our house because corn chips are my kryptonite and I can't get enough of them. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how I make this super simple salsa. So this is what you're going to need. I've already done a very rough chop of about a half of an onion. I've got another rough chop of fresh cilantro. You definitely want to chop this up because it will get caught around the blades of your blender. And I like garlic, so we have 3 garlic cloves. I've got some jalapenos that I pulled out of my freezer from my last year's crop. So they're nice and hot. So I've kept the seeds in them. Now you can obviously do without this, or you can also de-seed a jalapeno, and that will take a lot of that heat out. I do have a large can, or you can use the 2 small cans of tomatoes. They can be diced whole. It just really doesn't matter, but I highly do recommend going with the organic here. And finally, you're going to want the juice of a lime and some salt. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to take the tomatoes first because we like our wet ingredients in the bottom of the blender. And next I'm going to put my onions in. And then the peppers and the garlic. And finally my cilantro goes on top. And then I'm going to squeeze in my lime. There's 1, and I like to get a lot of that lime juice out. And 2. Got our full lime in there. And then obviously you want salt just to taste. You don't really need a ton of salt in this. So I'm going to put about a teaspoon, I guess, in there. And now it's going to go on the blender. And there you have it. Now, once you've done that, all you need to do is put it in a bowl or into a quart jar, because this will leave you with about a quart and then a little bit left over, and you've got perfect homemade salsa. Enjoy.